Welcome in. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Bluecoats 2014 Snare Break, and it goes like this. Very cool little snare break, obviously split rolls at the end. However, there's a couple of other difficult things in here. We've got to work on our sevens, and we've also got to learn how to play in 7/4. 7/4 is fairly simple, right? We can take a bar of 4 and a bar of 3, we put them together, and we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try that first line. You can see we've got... I'm going to take the first 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, really. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And at 5 I go 5E and a 6E and a 7E and a stop. 5E and a 6E and a 7E and a stop. Now it's hard to say, so I'm just going to play. Stop, right? I think of that, right? So I've got. Now we're going to put a metronome on, and the metronome is going to count. Bar 4 and a bar 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heard it on the radio. Heard it on. Now you've got to start feeling this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So playing time with it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, last time. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's done at 160. The actual one is about 200, so we've got a lot of speed to create yet, but let's jump straight to this next line. Physically, it's made up of a 3, 1, 2, 3, an invert, another invert, a flam 5, and then 4 flams with a release. So we'd get this. We've got to have a bit of understanding of where the timing is, so we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5E and. So we're going up to and a 5E and, all right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5E and. 1 and 2, invert, invert, and a 5E and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5E and. You can see it's kind of a crescendo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5E and. And then 6 will be the release. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5E and 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5E and 6 and 7 and release. 6 and 7 and rim shot. 6 and 7 and rim shot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5E and 6 and 7 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5E and 6 and 7 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5E and 6 and 7 and stop. Now as you start to get speed on this, you're going to see that when we play these here, I sometimes call these floppy flats, because when we're playing fast, we have to be quite floppy to play them. I'm not really particularly trying to get a perfect... I'm just letting the hands bounce, and over time it might start off a bit like this, and over time you can start to then work on the interpretation of that. But you've got to be loose because it's so fast, all right? It's pretty quick, right? Let's try it 160. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, next bar. This is where we get some craziness, all right? So we start off simple. First 4 counts I go in with a release. So 1 and triplet, 8th note, release. The only thing that's mega hard about this, I struggle with this, is the speed of that is crazy fast, that roll. So I've got to really sort of dig in. I'm pressing downwards. I'm almost playing it like a buzz roll. But I'm loosening off enough that it turns into a diddled roll. But a tempo we're at the moment, we ain't got to worry about that. But what's difficult is this next thing. Right? What the thing is that's next is a 7/4. Now that means we've got, no, it's not a 7/4, it's a 7/3. We've got 3 counts. We've got count 5, count 6, count 7. That's our 3 counts. Now we've obviously got a release as well, which is 1, but if we call it over 3 because it's the 3 counts. And over the top of that, we're going to play 7 notes up here. 7 notes, right? So first of all, we've got to make sure that we can play 7s with a release easily. I like to use words, right? I like to say, what an opportunity, and then it'll be, a release will be the last note. So I go, what an opportunity, stop. What an opportunity, stop. And I play up. What an opportunity, 1. What an opportunity, 1. So copy that. What an opportunity, 1. What an opportunity, 1. Another one that works well is, heard it on the radio, stop. Heard it on the radio, stop, right? Choose what you want. You count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. But you've got to have a reference there, right? Oh, what an opportunity, stop. Now eventually then we're going to diddle those. So we're going to get, what an opportunity, stop. What an opportunity, stop. What an opportunity, stop. What an opportunity, stop. But then we're going to decrescendo that. What an opportunity, stop. What an opportunity, stop. What an opportunity, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. Sometimes I'll start to think of that pattern to give me some sort of reference, because the good news is it's not too bad to play what an opportunity, stop. The bad news is that's over 3 counts, and I've got to keep my feet going at the same tempo. What I'm going to do to teach that is I'm just going to play along with the metronome. We're going to let the metronome play counts 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to go 5, 6, and 7, and I'm going to just say out loud, what an opportunity, stop, and you're going to join in with me. Here we go. This will be easier, faster, but at this tempo we should be able to do it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. What an opportunity, stop. 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 Decrescendo. What an opportunity, stop. 2, 3, 4. What an opportunity, stop. Now roll. 3, 4. What an opportunity, stop. 2, 3, 4. What an opportunity, stop. 2, 3, 4. What an opportunity, stop. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. What an opportunity, stop. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now what's hard about this is what throws me off is when I play the roll before, my body gets used to playing that tempo of roll, which is triplet, and all of a sudden then I've got to slow way back down for that 7 for the 3, 4, what an opportunity, stop, which is horrible, right? It's hard. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What an opportunity, stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What an opportunity, stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What an opportunity, stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What an opportunity, stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What an opportunity, stop. Okay, you got it? Let's see. It's easier, faster, right? A lot easier, faster. You'll find it once you can play this. The hard thing about that is just the speed of that triplet roll. Right, next line, we're going. Now the timing of that is 1, 2, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and. 1, 2, and 4, and 5, 6, and. Now that last part goes bakum, bakum, and the bass drum gives it gakum, gakum. Right, so I'm going to play that this time. And that's the timing of it. Try that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the next note, when I hit the snare drum, is going to be count 2 of the next bar. So we're going to add that on, count 2 of the next bar. 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2. Now that makes sense. Why? Because if we go to the last bar, you can see that we come in on count 2. 1, 2, and 3, and we do that. 1, 2, and 3, and. We're going to hand up here. 1, 2, and 3, and. 1, 2, and 3, and. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1. We just keep that going all the way to the 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1. And that's where we get the split part. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 1. You might mess that up. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, 2. So that last part was just going 1, and then we put the left hand down on. It's actually 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So I'd say that this time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, 2, 3. Right. So let's try. That's it, isn't it? Let's try the whole thing. Let's try it at this tempo, 160. See how we get on, all right? So we're coming in about this tempo. Don't come in yet, we're coming this temp. That's your tempo, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It up. This is 180. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Bang. Nice job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right up there, right? 200. So it's going to be quick. Keep up with me. 5, 6. I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that, my friends, is how to play the snare break, right? For those guys who want to try and play the upbeat, you're on your own on that, all right? You have to figure that part out, right? But it's a fun one, right? It's a short one. It's a sweet one. There's some cool little things in there. If you've enjoyed this lesson, please let me know. I do read all the comments. Let me know other breaks you'd like me to work out. I'm always looking for new breaks, and I'm seeing all your messages in there, I promise you. I've got a list of ones that I've got to try and learn and put on this channel. If you want to take your drumming to another level, or if you're a beginner, go check out snaredrumessentials.com. I've got a whole course on there now. It's purchasable, but I've got a whole course on there that you can go in, you can learn from day one all the way through. Also, go check out the app, Snare Essentials. It's free for 7 days. It's got hundreds of, well, is it hundreds? I'm lying. It's got about 60 at the moment, maybe 70 exercises in there, standard exercises, and I'm adding 2, 3 every week, every month, slowly growing. Go check that out, and I'll see you next time.